Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody, it's me, Bubba. Welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to draw a dragonfly. Grab a paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first, this time we're gonna do something a little bit different, and we're gonna draw the eyes first. So let's come over here and do a circle like that. And then we'll start back here on this side of the eye and do another circle. Perfect. Let's come over here on this side and draw a line. And come over here and down and then up like this, just like that. Let's do the same on this side and draw a line and come over and up and just like that. Perfect. Let's give our dragonfly a little smile over here. And then we're gonna fill in the eyes. So we'll draw a pupil and fill it in. One on this side and fill it in. Let's do a couple lines underneath the eyes. An eyebrow over here, one over here. And then we're gonna do a few lines going down the body around like this. They're gonna be curved. They're not straight. They're not like this. We're gonna draw them like this. All the way down. Perfect. There we go. Now we're gonna give our dragonfly a couple legs. So one down like that, two, and then three right up here. And then we're gonna do three on the other side. One, two, three, just like that. Now to finish our dragonfly, we're gonna do some wings and then final details. So let's come into the back, kind of around the midway point, and go up, and then back down. We're gonna repeat that, but only about half the shape. So we'll come behind the wing and do one right here, and then down. Let's come back behind and we're gonna do another one all the way up and back down. Ready? Up and back down. We'll put one more wing behind it. So starting back here and go up and down and stop right there. Perfect. Now let's add some details inside the wings. We'll do a line like that. Another line over here, like that. And then just a couple lines going this way. Like that. Perfect. We'll add a couple lines on the back wings. Nice. Okay, we have one last thing to do. All we have to do is add the little details and then we're done with this character. So let's do just a couple lines through the body, some circles, some other little detail lines, maybe a couple on the wings. And then since this character is flying, let's add a couple of motion lines on the wings and a shadow so it's hovering above the ground. Like this. Perfect. And there we have a dragonfly character.
Yeah.
You did a really good job following along with me. You're such a talented artist. I hope you'll come back and draw with me again soon. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.